I gave 4 different AI app builders the exact same prompt: Bolt, Loveable, V0, and HeyBoss. Each claims to build a full-stack web app in minutes. Let's actually see which one delivers.
All right, here's the game plan. I'm going to give the exact same prompt to all 4 app builders, and we're going to test how well they perform, how quickly they build, and really the capabilities of these different applications. And remember, I'm not coding at all. We are just using prompts. Let's jump into the first one.
All right, the prompt that we're going to use is to build a web app called Daily Tasks, which allows users to add, view, and delete tasks. Each is going to include a title, a due date, all that fun stuff. Bolt actually completed this task in 5 minutes. This is really good considering it's the only AI software that built out an authentication system when I didn't even ask it to. We can create an account, log in to actually access the dashboard. I was really happy with this, and this was a bit more advanced where it did it all on its own. The UI is basic, but it's very clean, it's well structured, the colors are good. This can all be changed later in the code base, so all in all, the UI is pretty good. Accessing the code, I love this feature because of the extensive code base it actually provides and creates. The structure in the directory was really good, and we have access to a console that we can use with databases on the side. So this has a really strong feature with all of this access, as well as building a really cool app. To publish it, all we have to do is hit that publish button. It gives us a URL and we can go over to that live site hosted on Bolt. So all in all, this was really good. We still have the same functionality. I was quite impressed with Bolt. What can I say here?
Not gonna lie, Bolt, that was pretty impressive. All right, let's get into Loveable.
Now we're going to give Loveable the exact same prompt that I did with Bolt. This did it 2 minutes faster at a total time of 3 minutes. The UI, you can tell, is roughly the same. It's actually a bit more basic considering that Bolt made divs. Loveable has the clear structure. The gradient color scheme is also really good. It's clean, so I'm a big fan of this. We still have all the same functionality of a title, a due date, and adding that priority in the code base. I love the ability to access this code base where we can delete or expand on that. I did feel like this didn't look as clean of a UI for the code base as Bolt did, but we still have access to all that. We publish it just as easy when we hit that publish button. It deploys the app on Loveable, huge bonus. All we have to do is head on over to that URL, here which is provided, and it still gives us the same functionality. So Loveable did a really good job. It was a bit faster, but it did not include an authentication system. So, it's not as advanced, but it did the job that I asked it to do.
Loveable actually did a really killer job too. I'm excited to see the next one. We're going into V0 by Vercel.
I use Vercel a lot, so I was excited to experiment and try this one, and it was actually the fastest at 1 minute and 21 seconds. We can use Vercel, that I use personally, to deploy applications, so I was anxious to try this out. I wasn't very impressed with the UI. As you can see, it's rather basic compared to the other ones. What can I say? It felt a bit more like ChatGPT, but we still get access to that console. It did do the job, so I could hand code the CSS to expand on that. And we also get access to our code base, which is another huge win here. But the code base was not as extensive as Bolt or Loveable. It's really basic. You can see here there's 5 files plus the JSON file. So I wasn't that impressed with it, but we can still access it, which is a huge win for us. To publish it, we still head on over to publish and we push the project to production. It's automatically hosted on Vercel, which is great, takes us right over to it. We still have the functionality, which we did on the first 2. So all in all, this is really good. It was really fast. That speed did surprise me. I thought Loveable might have been a bit faster, but this won there.
All right, V0, that's our third contender. Let's get into our fourth and final one of HeyBoss.
Not quite sure what I thought of the last one, but we gave it the same prompt. I do like that we could choose a design style. So I chose a design that was supposed to look like Duolingo. This took the longest time though, at an overwhelming 16 minutes, which is crazy. Yes, I did wait for that. So I was expecting to see a lot of good stuff here, but when the site loaded, this is what we got. A very basic site that makes me pay to access the code, and I could have coded this out on HTML that would look 10 times better than this anyway. So I was not impressed at all here. The fact they charged me for code, not a win. We can still deploy the project. It is hosted. I can access this project. But if we think back to the other three that we had of Bolt, Loveable, V0, I think you guys can kind of see what we get from each and the benefits of each. This still works how we intend it to: a title, a date, a priority.
I don't know about that one. Let's just do a quick comparison over these four.
Now, combining all of these, right, we got to see all these in action. This did really surprise me though, as V0 was the fastest on speed, but Bolt and Loveable were clear winners on the UI, especially with Bolt building out an authentication system, right? It gives us access to that back end, both Bolt and Loveable. Huge win for us, especially as developers, with really good UI and full-on code control. HeyBoss, I'm sorry, did not do very well. It costs money. The UI was not good. It was really easy to use, I'll give it that.
That brings a wrap on our four comparison between these guys. Now, if you're a developer who wants full control, go with Bolt. You saw the capabilities and the added authentication system. Huge win, and it still gives us full control over the code. If you're in the startup phase, Loveable is a great choice. It's quick, it's fast, the UI looked clean, and we can still access our code. V0 was just okay. We can still access the code, but you saw how minimal the code actually was, and the site looked alright overall. And for the last choice, we're gonna have to say, hey boss. Hey boss, what are you doing? Because that did not work as well. It took the longest, and we have to pay to access the code. For us, that's not a clear win. Drop in the comments below which one of those four platforms surprised you guys the most, and just let us know your thoughts in general. If you want us to deep dive more in the future, that's something we can do.